Food for thought. In the movie The Matrix, when these Smiths turn and start to chase Neo or go after the one, which is the chosen one, this is how we become when we don't choose to live the righteous path. When we don't give our life to Jesus Christ, you are subject to become a Smith, aka a narcissist. You can be programmed at the will of these spirits, these demons, these entities. This is how you unplug. This is how you disconnect from the matrix. You walk in the spirit and no longer in the flesh. Think about that. Don't become a Smith. Give your life to the Lord. Because if not, the devil can use you at his will without you even realizing it. Hope this makes sense. Have a wonderful day. I plead the blood of Jesus Christ over you, and have a blessed day.